Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Finishing up a cool, dry day. Clouds have rolled in right now, but there's no precipitation. These final days of March look fairly quiet. It's going to be the kind of week where it starts off, pretty cool to chilly the first part of the week, and then significant warm-up towards the end of the week and the weekend. We look at the high temps today. Many areas in the upper 40s to low 50s, which is pretty much on the mark. It's essentially the normal high for this time of year. Actually, Providence made it to 51, not 50. 52 the high today in Taunton, and New Bedford came in at 49. So next couple of nights look chilly. Tonight, dry and chilly. Temperatures eventually down in the upper 20s. Clouds we have right now will clear out during the overnight hours. It's a storm-free week. I really don't see much on the horizon as far as widespread precipitation. A lot of storminess this week. Next chance of precipitation is just a scattered rain shower, and that's looking more and more like it will arrive on Thursday night. In the meantime, significant warm-up by the end of the week. We're talking about Friday through Sunday with temperatures that'll be in the 60s inland, but 50s along the coastline. And here's the situation. This time of year you have to be real careful as far as predicting warmer than average temperatures. Now, the problem that we have here is, the water is still very cool this time of year. So any kind of a sea breeze this time of year can generally keep the coast a lot cooler. So, when we're forecasting temperatures that are in the low to mid 60s, those areas in orange, you really got to be away from the coastline. This is an example of a southerly sea breeze. So by the end of the week and the weekend, the areas shaded in orange really have the better chance of seeing temperatures between roughly 60 and 65. Along the coast, it'll still be nice, but it won't be as warm. So just kind of a word of caution that places like Newport, Westerly, Narragansett, probably not getting into the 60s the end of the week, but still decent. Threat tracker now through the next couple of days looks fairly quiet. As we mentioned earlier, no big storms on the horizon. You see clouds that have been streaming in on the satellite photo locally. Dry clouds. You see some precipitation off to our south near New York City and Point South. It's actually an area of low pressure, a storm over West Virginia. That's headed due east and out to sea. So we get the cloud cover this evening, but we missed the precipitation, so we'll stay dry tonight. And eventually it does clear out during the overnight, and so by tomorrow morning we're waking up to some chilled sunshine. Getting real close, and we'll step you through this hour by hour. Here we are this evening at 7, 8 o'clock, mainly cloudy and cool. And then watch how the cloud deck, that area of gray, pushes offshore. We clear out overnight. Here we are, 6 o'clock in the morning. Who's up at that time? It's chilly. Upper 20s to low 30s, clear skies. And then notice during the afternoon, actually all day sunshine, but the afternoon temperatures are running only 43 to 45, so several degrees below average, but at least it's dry. And then tomorrow night, even colder under clear skies. By 11 o'clock Tuesday night, we're already down in the upper 20s to low 30s. And this sets up for very cold weather Tuesday night and into daybreak on Wednesday. So for this evening, mainly cloudy the first half of the night. Temperature by 11 o'clock at 39. We're back to sunshine on Tuesday. Chilly at sunrise, starting off in the upper 20s to low 30s during the afternoon. I mean, not bad. It's a quiet day. It's dry, but it is cool with daytime highs between roughly 43 and 45 degrees. All right, here's the 7-day. Where's this warm-up? Well, by Thursday, we're close to 50. And then Friday, we're pushing 60 degrees. Now, Thursday day is dry. Thursday night, we're not showing that here, but Thursday night, some scattered rain showers. Friday will have some extra clouds, maybe a morning sprinkle, but it's milder. Temperature inland approaching 60. And then here we are on Saturday. Look at that. Sunshine, very mild, mid-60s inland. And again, as we mentioned, cooler at the coastline. Sunday's a tough call. Right now we're keeping the daylight hours dry. Some showers, rain showers, Sunday night into Monday morning with an approaching cold front. But should that cold front arrive sooner, we'd have to introduce some rain showers during the daytime on Sunday, along with slightly cooler temperatures. I still think Sunday is relatively mild. In fact, it is mild, 61. But if that front comes in a little sooner, it may tend to be a shade cooler. But Saturday, probably the warmer day out of the 2 weekend days. So be patient. We do have some spring-like weather on the way by the end of the week and the weekend. In the meantime, the theme of cool afternoons and cold nights, at least for the next couple of nights. So that's the latest. Check back with me tonight at 10 o'clock on Fox Providence, and again at 11 o'clock on WPRI, Channel 12, for the latest forecast as new information comes in. In the meantime, thanks for logging in to the Weather Now link, and we'll talk to you soon.